the Toronto skyline, Lake Ontario, the Humber River, and the Lambton Golf and Country Club. What do all of these places have in common? These are just some of your amazing views at 20 Brin Drive, Unit 1407. Check it out. This is a luxury corner unit with 2 bedrooms plus a den, 3 bathrooms, over 1,000 square feet, plus this incredible 357 square foot wraparound balcony with gorgeous panoramic views. A one-of-a-kind property in an amazing neighborhood with views to die for. It's time for you to get living and live a great story.